What's up, Ryan? The only team was the Brewers. They went unsold. All right, good evening, everyone. It's time for some Topps Chrome blaster boxes. We got 10 of them. Hoping to get some autographs tonight, numbered cards tonight, SP cards tonight. Looking for a fun break. Been a few days since I've had a Topps Chrome break, so I'm ready to rip some more. And let me go ahead and cover some housekeeping measures. For my new people to my group tonight, I do want to let you know how I'm going to run this break off. I'm going to show you every single card, call every player by name. I'm also going to call out what team they play for. My goal is for you to know every single card you're going to get before this video is even over. I also ship all cards, including the base. All rookies, inserts, parallels, and megastars will at least be sleeved up, if not top loaded. And I will have these cards in the mail to you tomorrow. Here we go. We've got 2 sepia and 2 pink parallels per box. We have, it says 32 cards, 8 packs times 4 cards. I will tell you that I have been pulling 5 cards out of mini packs per box, 2 or 3 at least. So I think there's more than 32 cards per box on average. We'll find out if that continues tonight. We're obviously looking for some big name rookies. Wander Franco would be a good one to pull right off the bat. Here we go. Topps Chrome time. Tim Anderson, White Sox starts us off, followed by Matt Olson to the A's. And we have a 35th anniversary, and our first one is Pete Alonso Mets, and our first rookie is Alexander Wells to the Orioles. All right, Alex Verdugo, Boston. This is one of the packs with 5 cards in it. Alex Verdugo, Boston. Garrett Cole, Yankees. We got a Prism, Max Scherzer, Mets. Trevor Lawrence, Twins. And our first pink is Brian Hayes to the Pirates. I like him. Ozzie Albies, Braves. We've got a pinstripe Vladimir Guerrero Jr. I like these cards. Here comes a refractor rookie. Tyler McGill to the Mets. And we've got Trey Mancini to the Orioles. So first pinstripe. Really cool looking cards. And this one's going to the Blue Jays. Max Kepler, Twins. We've got a Drew Ellis rookie to the Arizona Diamondbacks. And we have a Heart of the City. I love this set. It's Max Muncy to the Dodgers, followed by Josh Donaldson, Twins. And our first sepia is Zach Wheeler, Phillies. Jesus Luzardo, Marlins. Reed Detmers, Angels rookie card, 35th anniversary, George Springer, Blue Jays. And we have Ketel Marte, Arizona. Give me an autograph. Andre Jackson, Dodgers rookie. Adolis Garcia, Rangers. Austin Riley, Braves. Trey Turner, Dodgers. Pink, rookie, Rays, but it's Josh Lowe. Christian Yelich to the Brewers. Keibert Ruiz, Washington. Refractor rookie again. Rodney Contreras to the Pittsburgh Pirates. And here's Bo Bichette to the Blue Jays. Last pack, first blaster. Kyle Muller, Atlanta Braves rookie. Josh Hader, Brewers. Future Stars, Randy Arozarena, Tampa Bay. Brandon Marsh, rookie to the Angels. And Cleveland Guardians get a Sepia rookie, Sepia refractor, Ernie Clement. And that's how the first box goes. Got some rookies in color. We didn't get any of what I'd call those big names. Maybe box 2 will do that for us. What's up, Edward? What time? This is 7:45 Central. All right, Tyler McGill, Mets rookie. Nico Horner, Cubbies, 35th anniversary. How about Miguel Cabrera, Detroit? And Robbie Grossman, Detroit also. Starling Marte, Mets. Tyler Stevenson, Reds. Prism, Connor Wong, rookie, Boston. There you go. Evan Longoria, San Francisco. And the pink refractor, Jimenez to the White Sox. Rhys Hoskins, Phillies, another pinstripes. This time it's Jacob deGrom, New York Mets. Refractor, Manny Machado, Padres. Salvador Perez, Kansas City. 2 tie-dyed in 2 pinstripe in 2 boxes. I don't normally get 1 per box, but we'll see how it continues tonight. Here's Tapia to the Rockies. Chris Bryant, Giants. Heart of the City. This time it's Miguel Cabrera, Detroit. Dylan Carlson, Cardinals. And John Gray, Texas Rangers is the Sepia. Chas McCormick, Houston Astros rookie. Yadier to the Cardinals. George Springer again, 35th anniversary. And Urias to the Dodgers. Clayton Kershaw, Dodgers. Shane Baz, Rays rookie. Jose Siri, Astros rookie. Wander Franco in the house. First one. It's a base rookie. We hope for more. We hope for some color. O'Neal Cruz needs to come along pretty quickly, too. Pink refractor, Joe Musgrove, San Diego. Here's Jack Flannery, Cardinals. Wilson Contreras, Cubbies. Refractor, Alec Baum, Phillies, and Bobby Dalbec, Boston. Those last 2, Alec Baum and Bobby Dalbec, were big rookies in last year's product. Luis Gill, rookie, Yankees. Jarren Duran, rookie, Boston. Lou Bob, future stars to the White Sox. Joey Gallo, Yankees. And Sepia Nelson Cruz, Tampa Bay. 2 boxes in, no numbered cards, no autographs. Which break are you referring to? If you're talking about the football break, I just finished it. This is the Topps Chrome baseball break that was listed to start at 7:45 Central. And I finished up the 7 p.m. Central Select football break. That one has finished. The video is on my Facebook page, and also it's already on YouTube. All right, Tony Santillan, Reds rookie. Hoy Park Pirates rookie. 35th anniversary rookie, Brandon Marsh, Angels. And Michael Brantley, Houston. And let me know which break you're referring to. Here's Ryan McMahon, Rockies. Trent Grisham Padres, Prism, Jesse Winker Reds, Nolan Arenado Cardinals, our pink refractor for this pack, Jed Lowry Oakland, Casey Mize Tigers, Jared Kelenic Mariners, refractor, Lance Lynn White Sox, and rookie Stuart Fairchild Arizona. We are not getting the mega hits right now. Lars Nootbaar, St. Louis Cardinals rookie, Yordan Alvarez Houston, New Classics, Rafael Devers Boston, Brian Anderson Marlins, and the sepia is Seattle Mariners Logan Gilbert. Jesse Winker Reds, Max Kranich Pirates rookie, 35th anniversary, Tim Anderson White Sox, and George Springer Blue Jays. Gavin Sheets White Sox rookie, JT Real Muto Phillies, Tim Anderson White Sox, Max Fried Braves, the pink, Buster Posey Giants. Very flat right now. We got to have something jumpstart us. Matt Olson A's, Verdugo Boston, Jose Altuve refractor also to Houston, and the Marlins get an Edward Cabrera rookie. Garrett Cole Yankees, Ozzie Albies Braves. Let's work from the back. Sepia rookie, Eli Morgan Cleveland. We also have a Jackson Reitz Brewers rookie, and we've got something that's numbered. And it is Giants, Buster Posey. It is numbered 124 out of 199. Congratulations to the Giants. All right, Detroit Tigers, Zach Short, rookie. Here's Logan Gilbert again to the Mariners. Another Tim Anderson, 35th anniversary White Sox. And Connor Wong, rookie, Boston. Justin Verlander, Astros. Adam Wainwright, Cardinals. Prism. Oh, looky here. Albert Pujols. Future Hall of Famer, 700 home runs in a Dodgers uniform. Pete Alonso Mets. Pink refractor, Jorge Solar, Atlanta. Emmanuel Rivera, Royals rookie, Austin Meadows Rays. Refractor, Zach Wheeler Phillies. John Means Orioles. Jimenez, White Sox. Luke Williams, Phillies rookie. Heart of the City, Juan Soto, Nationals. I'm not sure he's still the heart of the city, but that's a cool card. First one I pulled. Byron Buxton Twins, and the sepia, Boston Red Sox, Kyle Schwarberger. Jose Abreu, White Sox, Jed Lowry Athletics, 35th anniversary. This time it's Jacob deGrom Mets, and Tyler Gilbert, rookie, Arizona Cardinals. This is the fourth box. We do have one numbered card so far. Kyle Schwarberger, Boston. Jeff McNeil, Mets. Freddie Freeman, Braves. Brian De La Cruz, Marlins rookie. And Lou Bob to the White Sox. That's a cool card. Corbin Burns, Brew Crew, Josiah Gray, Washington, Refractor, Angels, Joe Adele, and Alec Manaea to the Blue Jays. Where's Shohei Ohtani? Where's my... Okay, there's Shohei Ohtani. Wow. That's crazy when that happens. Here's Corey Seager, Rangers, Future Stars, Luis Garcia, Washington. Mike Trout. I was about to say, where's Shohei and Mike Trout? Well, here they are. And Brian De La Cruz, Sepia Refractor, Marlins. My goodness. Okay, let's try this again. Where's O'Neal Cruz? If all I got to do is ask and they show up, I'll start asking a bunch of big names. I'm easy to work with in those regards. All right, here's Josh Hader Brewers, Rafael Devers Red Sox, Pete Alonso 35th anniversary Mets, and Jose Ramirez Cleveland. Let me get that O'Neal Cruz in first. Edward. Anthony Rizzo Yankees, Lucas Giolito White Sox, Prism Castellanos to the Reds, Adam Frazier to the Mariners, Pink, Luis Gil rookie to the Yankees. Sean Manaea A's, Pinstripes, Cardinals, Nolan Arenado, Refractor rookie to the Rays, Shane Baz, and rookie card Ryan Velade Rockies. Mike Moustakas Reds. There's O'Neal Cruz to the Pittsburgh Pirates, Heart of the City. Juan Soto again, Nationals. Mike Yastrzemski Giants, Chris Bryant Giants, Sepia. Well, J-Rod, I haven't pulled one of you yet out of Chrome. Well, maybe an autograph redemption would be nice right here. So where is Julio? John Gray Rangers, Jake Cronenworth Padres, 35th anniversary, Miguel Cabrera Detroit, Michael Brantley to Houston. Zach Short Tigers rookie, Logan Gilbert Mariners, Justin Verlander Houston, Nolan Arenado Cardinals, the pink. Brandon Belt Giants. I feel like we got a bunch of Giants cards so far. Adam Wainwright, Cardinals, Emmanuel Rivera rookie, Royals. Here comes a Fernando Tatis Jr. Refractor, San Diego, and Diamondback Stuart Fairchild rookie. Last pack of the first half of the break. Austin Meadows Rays, Jimenez White Sox, Future Stars, Luis Gonzalez Garcia again, Washington, Brian Anderson Marlins, and here's a Ryan Velade Sepia rookie refractor, Colorado. All right, 5 boxes in, 1 numbered card, no autographs, no SPs. We got work to do. We do have O'Neal Cruz and Wander, but just base rookies. That's not going to cut it. Tapia Rockies, Chris Bryant Giants, 35th anniversary rookie, Vidal Brujan to the Rays. There you go. And Walker Buehler Dodgers. Chas McCormick Astros rookie, Yadier to the Cardinals. Prism rookie, Connor Wong. Second Connor Wong rookie in color for the Boston Red Sox, along with a base Connor Wong rookie. Jose Barrios Twins, the pink. Lucas Giolito White Sox. Clayton Kershaw Dodgers, Shane Baz Rays rookie. We have a refractor, Jimenez White Sox, and Chris Sale Boston. Jose Siri Houston rookie, Jack Flannery Cardinals, Heart of the City. Oh, first one of these I've pulled. Shall we all rise for Aaron Judge, New York Yankees. Now the Yankees winner may not like this card. Sweet as it is, they may, I'm really here for the Aaron Judge base card. That's really what I want. Well, you know what? I'm the type of breaker that I'll do that for you. Aaron Judge right behind him, base card. Adolis Garcia, Sepia Refractor, Texas Rangers. Wilson Contreras, Cubs. Luis Gil, Yankees rookie, 35th anniversary. There's Mr. Mike Trout again to the Angels, and Jose Ramirez, Cleveland. Jarren Duran, Red Sox rookie. Francisco Lindor, Mets. Cedric Mullins, Orioles. Adam Frazier, Mariners. Pink. Fernando Tatis got the regular refractor earlier. Now the pink refractor of Fernando Tatis. Alex Kirilloff, Twins. Pavin Smith, Diamondbacks. Refractor. Matt Verling, Phillies rookie. And Ryan Velade, Rockies rookie, ends that pack. One pack to go in box 6. Trevor Rogers, Marlins. Gurriel Jr., Blue Jays. Future Stars, Jonathan India, Reds. Mikey Scrimsey, Giants. And the Sepia, Max Scherzer to the Mets. Okay, the Marlins get a Trevor Rogers. Blue Jays, Gurriel Jr., Jarren Duran, 35th anniversary. I feel like the Red Sox have got several rookies in color. Here's Cole Calhoun, Texas. Jared Walsh going to the Angels. Mookie Betts, Dodgers. Prism, Mariners. That's a cool card. Kyle Lewis. Zach Pop, rookie, Marlins, and Cedric Mullins, pink refractor, Baltimore. Isaiah Kiner-Falefa, Texas. Jake Berger, White Sox, rookie. The refractor, New York Mets, Pete Alonso, and Juan Soto to the Nationals. Zach Wheeler, Phillies. Luis Garcia, Houston. New Classics. Lou Bob. Boy, we got a couple of nice Lou Bobs tonight for the White Sox. Joe Adell, Angels. And looky here, Clayton Kershaw, Sepia, Dodgers. We just got a Max Scherzer Sepia. Future Hall of Famers. Here's Paul Goldschmidt, Cardinals. Jose Altuve, Houston, 35th anniversary. Brandon Marsh, Angels rookie. And Max Muncy to the Dodgers. Kyle Lewis, Mariners. Tristan McKenzie, Guardians. Rui to the Blue Jays. We've got a pink Whit Merrifield, and guess what we have? We have a redemption. Oh, this could be big. This could be big. The rookie autograph of Seth Beer, Arizona Diamondbacks. There you go, Seth Beer. He's pretty popular. Redemption auto. Nice hit right there. Manny Machado, Padres. Shane Bieber, Indians. Refractor. Chas McCormick, Houston Astros rookie, and Patrick Wisdom, Cubs. I've gotten 4 or 5 autographs so far. That's my first redemption out of Chrome. Here's Cabrian Hayes, Pittsburgh. We're going to get a numbered card too. Sonny Gray, Reds. Nolan Arenado, Sepia to the Cardinals. DJ LeMahieu to the Yankees, and our numbered card. Oh, there you go. Tampa Bay Rays, Vidal Brujan, 65 out of 199 rookie. Pretty good little blaster box right there. 3 to go. Starting to heat up. Cedric Mullins Orioles, Alex Kirilloff Twins, 35th anniversary. Jacob deGrom Mets, Eli Morgan Guardians rookie. Pavin Smith Arizona, Trevor Rogers Miami, Prism rookie Diamondbacks, Tyler Gilbert, Yu Darvish Padres, and looky here, a Kyle Muller pink refractor to the Braves. Gurriel Jr. Blue Jays, Jared Walsh Angels, refractor White Sox, Jose Abreu, Connor Wong rookie Boston. Mookie Betts Dodgers, Isaiah Kiner-Falefa Rangers, Heart of the City, we've got Pete Alonso New York Mets. And we have Pete Alonso New York Mets. We had Aaron Judge, Heart of the City earlier, followed by base Aaron Judge. We have just done the same thing with Pete Alonso. What are the odds? Sepia, Jesus Luzardo, Miami Marlins. Jake Berger, White Sox rookie, Zach Wheeler, Phillies, 35th anniversary, Jose Abreu, White Sox, and the Orioles get John Means. Luis Garcia, Houston, Paul Goldschmidt, Cardinals, Jose Altuve, Houston, Byron Buxton, Twins. Come on, Pink. Kevin Gausman, Blue Jays. Kyle Lewis, Mariners. Tristan McKenzie, Guardians. Refractor, Matt Chapman, A's. And Tyler Gilbert, rookie, Arizona. Sean Manaea, Oakland. Mike Moustakas, Reds. Here comes future stars, Casey Mize, Detroit. Brian De La Cruz, Marlins rookie. And our sepia is going to the Twins. It's Josh Donaldson. Eight down, 2 to go. We have one auto. It's a redemption and 2 numbered cards. 1 Wander base and 1 O'Neal Cruz base. So we got some work to do. Here's Jose Altuve, Houston, Kyle Lewis, Mariners, 35th anniversary, Jesse Winker, Reds, Braves, Dansby Swanson, Tristan McKenzie, Guardians, Manny Machado, Padres, Prism, Randy Arozarena, Tampa Bay, Brandon Woodruff, Brewers, and a pink Xander Bogaerts to the Red Sox. Shane Bieber, Guardians. Pinstripes. Boy, we had a good night for Juan Soto. Going to the Nationals here. Refractor, Miggy, Detroit, and Ronald Acuna Jr., one of my favorite poses in this set. His card last year was one of my favorite poses in the Topps Chrome set. Cabrian Hayes, Pirates. Sonny Gray, Reds. New Classics, Pete Alonso, Mets. Chaz Chisholm, Marlins, and Sepia Corbin Burns to the Brewers. Andrew McCutchen, Phillies. Kyle Tucker, Houston. Christian Yelich, 35th anniversary to the Brewers, and Riley Adams, rookie, Washington Nationals. Cal Raleigh, rookie, Mariners. Carlos Santana, Kansas City. Refractor, Reds. Joey Votto. Anthony Rendon, Angels, and Javier Baez, pink, Detroit Tigers. Randy Arozarena, Rays. Carson Kelly, Diamondbacks. Mookie Betts, Dodgers, refractor, and Walker Buehler, Dodgers. Cody Bellinger, Dodgers. Vladdy Jr., Blue Jays. Sepia, Justin Turner, Dodgers. Jose Barrios Blue Jays. And what do we have here? Giants again. Giants got the numbered green Buster Posey. Now they get the purple Evan Longoria. 165 out of 250. How about that? Well, here we go. Last blaster. I am planning a 20 blaster box Facebook pick your team break, posting it either tomorrow night or Friday. We'll rip it when it gets full. It'll be 20 blasters. So be watching my Facebook page and get notifications. I usually give away a team. I might be giving away the Tampa Bay Rays. All you got to do is have a team in there and you have a chance to get the Rays for free. Max Kepler Twins, Drew Ellis, Diamondbacks rookie, Jacob deGrom, 35th anniversary Mets, and the Guardians get Emmanuel Clase. Jesus Luzardo Marlins, Reed Detmers Angels rookie, Prism Eli Morgan Guardians rookie, Rosny Contreras Pirates rookie, and a pink Kyle Schwarberger Boston. Hernandez Blue Jays, Andre Jackson rookie Dodgers, Refractor, another Kyle Lewis in color for the Mariners, and Miguel Cabrera Detroit. Adolis Garcia Rangers, Austin Riley Braves, Heart of the City, Tim Anderson to the White Sox, Heart of the City. Sammy Long Giants, that's a rookie. And Justin Verlander, Sepia, Houston. Christian Yelich Brewers, Keibert Ruiz, Washington. 35th anniversary, White Sox, Jose Abreu, Alex Bregman, Houston. We are winding down. Kyle Muller, rookie, Braves, Josh Hader, Brewers, Rafael Devers, Boston. Mitch Haniger, Mariners, are pink. Kyle Seager to the Mariners. Anthony Rizzo, Yankees. Lucas Giolito, White Sox. Refractor, Yankees. DJ LeMahieu, and the Tigers get a Matt Manning rookie. Come on, give me a hit right here before we get off of the break. Sean Manaea, A's. Mike Moustakas, Reds. Future Stars, Orioles. Ryan Mountcastle. Kevin Gausman, Blue Jays, and the Sepia is Yu Darvish to the Padres. A little bit light. We did get the Heart of the City, Aaron Judge, a really sweet card. We got an O'Neal Cruz rookie and a Wanderer rookie, but that was it for those two. Numbered cards, green, Buster Posey, numbered to 199. Purple, Evan Longoria to 250. Both of those going to the Giants. We got a Vidal Brujan green numbered to 199. And we got an auto redemption Seth Beer Arizona Diamondbacks. Thank y'all so much. As I said, more Topps Chrome. It'll be on Facebook. Be ready to watch for that if that interests you at all. 20 blaster boxes. Thank y'all so much. I'll see you soon. Good night.